China has offered a friendship ticket on Biafra restoration and actualization. Yes, offered a friendship ticket. I just read in Biafra part of history that you know they helped Biafra during the war. That China saw us as people who are ready to achieve more, and they decided that they're gonna help us. So they helped us during the war, and now they are offering a friendship ticket. There was a bridge when Simon Ever was was being escorted to Russia for the benefit. And this is one of the most important part of it, to express ourselves. So as we ride on to this very important message, let's get along. There's a big victory in this whole scenario. One good turn deserves another. And prolonging ourselves in our ramification, and throwing ourselves to this whole zodiac sign that is already happening. We must stay very focused on what really matters. And that is what we should talk about. Building ourselves from one junction to another and not stopping. Because that's the only way life could have become more initiated. Nothing less, nothing small. And this is the victory we will all appreciate. Yes. So as we march forward to truly engage ourselves, let's understand that the friendship is going to bring us nothing but light. Nothing but light. Every time, every day, a lot is going to happen that is going to make this measurement look the way it should look. So, as we are now marching forward to tell ourselves this one truth, let's understand that the victory that we share, the things that we say, the words of freedom that we express is becoming unimaginable beautiful. And by so doing, everything will be laid across the globe. And there's nothing that is going to stop us. Because now that the disease is already bowing to pressure, they don't have anything to say again. They're just going to watch us, win and keep winning and keep winning. And they will say, why are these guys winning? But that's what we're made for. We're made to win. We're made to consume victory. The zoo has just bowed to pressure. The zoo has just bowed to pressure as a lot has happened in this very mystery of ours. One good turn deserves another. Now, they said that they have declared Simon Eber wanted for terrorism and other charges that is unknown to them. But here is the same thing that they told Nnamdi Kanu. They declared Nnamdi Kanu wanted, and immediately they heard that he's in Kenya. They went and kidnapped him and brought him back to Nigeria. Now they have bowed to pressure. In the past, they have actually declared a kind of feud against the people of Biafra, and there's a contract they have been saying we need your officials to sign on the Biafran registration group. And some of them said it is not possible. There's no country called Biafra. There's no country called Biafra. It's only Nigeria. Nigeria that was created by white people. Because some of you don't know your history. You keep going to church and you're praying to God and say, God, make Nigeria good. Make Nigeria one. A country that was never the same. How do you go into a family? You have 4 boys. 4 boys from that family. And you now carry 10 other boys from different families and then force them to accept that they are siblings. No matter how you want to pray to God, those children are not siblings. They can agree to be siblings, but they are not by birth. Or you say you should agree to Nigeria that was created. The reason why Nigeria was created is because of a company. It's because some people needed Nigeria to run so that their wealth, their bag will begin to, increase the more. More and more stuffs will increase. When I tell them most solemnly, unless there is no Igbo man in Biafra land, that's the only time Biafra will not come. But as long as there is an Igbo man in this world, the land of the rising sun will be actualized. Now, what are they saying? Samane banka sabane makankeno namdi kanonka namdi kanonkeno kadifo melono. It's a very simple thing. We must stay committed in the journey to push Biafra to the world map. That eyes may see, ears may hear, that the goodness of the Lord reigned in our time. What is that thing that we have committed? Nothing. Somebody woke up one day and said, I don't like the way you treat my brothers. I don't like the way you make my brothers feel sad. I don't like the way we have potholes, no good hospital, no rail station in the east, nowhere in the east. They bring it to only Yoruba land and Hausa land. With all your hatred, none of your tribes could even overtake the wealth that Igbos have gathered, the wealth that Igbos have achieved. And I keep asking them one genuine question. What has come in contact with you all that you think that by pushing away Biafrans that you're going to make a whole lot of mysteries? That is the journey, and we must stay connected.